In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue with Google Docs still loading. If you've ever been stuck staring at that frustrating spinning circle, you're in the right place. We're diving into some simple steps to get your Google Docs back on track, so you can continue your work without unnecessary interruptions. First things first, open your internet browser. It doesn't matter whether you're using Chrome, Firefox, or any other browser, just navigate to the Google search homepage. Once you're there, in the search bar, type in "How to fix Google Docs still loading" and hit enter. This might seem obvious, but you'd be surprised how often searching can direct you to the solution with a vast array of user feedback and troubleshooting steps readily available. When you perform this search, you'll notice many results from forums, help centers, and articles dedicated to resolving this common issue. I recommend starting with the top listed solutions from verified sources like Google's help forums or trusted tech websites. These resources are generally updated and can provide the most effective solutions, taking into account recent system updates. While you're on the search results page, look for an entry that's either a Google Help Guide or a trusted support page that addresses this specific loading problem. Click on it. Once you've navigated to an appropriate solution page, carefully read through the recommended steps. These might include clearing your browser cache and cookies, disabling browser extensions, or ensuring your browser is up to date. Let's break that down a bit. Clearing cache and cookies can resolve issues caused by outdated files in your browser that might interfere with Google Docs loading. Also, sometimes extensions, particularly ad blockers, can conflict with Google features, so manage those accordingly. Make sure your browser is up to date to ensure compatibility with Google's latest updates. After implementing any suggested steps, return to your Google Docs to test whether the solution worked. Sometimes it might require a simple refresh or, in some cases, a computer restart. It's crucial to be patient here, as troubleshooting might take a couple of tries to nail down. By following these steps, you should be well on your way to fixing the problem of Google Docs still loading. Remember, if it doesn't resolve the issue, trial and error with different solutions might be needed, or asking specific questions on dedicated tech forums can sometimes bring insight from fellow users who've experienced the same problems. Keep your files and work flowing smoothly by handling these inconveniences with informed solutions. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips.